The benefits of selenium for health: 7 things that make it a very important metal. Content. What are the benefits of selenium for health? Selenium benefits for health. Selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant. Selenium reduces the risk of certain cancers. Selenium for the prevention of heart disease. Selenium prevents mental deterioration. Selenium is good for thyroid gland. Selenium strengthens the immune system. Selenium benefits for popular asthma symptoms. We must exploit the benefits of selenium for health, which is an important key mineral for many vital processes within the human body, including cognitive function, immune system maintenance and increased fertility for both men and women. Selenium also contributes to thyroid hormone metabolism and DNA synthesis, and helps protect the body from oxidation and inflammation, according to several researches and studies. The body cannot manufacture selenium, but we get it from food sources or by taking selenium supplements, and it has many sources such as nuts, seafood, and meat. What are the benefits of selenium for health? Selenium offers many health benefits to the body, due to its content of chemicals that improve the health of the body. The benefits of selenium for the body include: the benefits of selenium for health. 1. Selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant. One of the most important selenium is this benefit, as antioxidants are various chemical compounds found in foods that help prevent cell damage due to harmful free molecules. These free molecules are natural byproducts of some of the metabolisms that take place in the body daily. There are some factors that affect free molecules and cause them to increase in the body, such as smoking, stress, etc., which ultimately causes increased stress and oxidative stress that harms healthy cells. Oxidative stress is associated with some chronic diseases such as heart disease, Alzheimer's, cancer and premature aging. Therefore, dependence on antioxidants such as selenium helps reduce oxidative stress, reducing the risk of developing these diseases. 2. Selenium reduces the risk of certain cancers. In addition to reducing oxidative stress, selenium helps reduce the risk of certain cancers. This is due to the ability of selenium to reduce DNA damage in the body, as well as to strengthen the immune system. A study of 350,000 people indicates that high levels of selenium in the blood were associated with a lower risk of certain cancers such as breast, lung, colon, and prostate cancer. In addition, one study found that taking selenium supplements reduced diarrhea associated with radiation therapy in some women with uterine cancer. 3. Selenium for the prevention of heart disease. A selenium-rich diet may help maintain heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. The results of one study confirm that high levels of selenium in the blood have reduced the chances of heart disease by 24%. This effect is due to the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of selenium, which are 2 main factors in heart disease, as it significantly reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, reducing the accumulation of deposits in the arteries, which cause certain diseases such as strokes and heart attacks. 4. Selenium to prevent mental deterioration. Alzheimer's disease is a health condition that causes memory loss and negatively affects thinking and behavior, and is one of the leading causes of death in the United States. The number of people with Alzheimer's disease around the world is increasing dramatically at the moment. Oxidative stress plays a major role in the development of many neurological diseases such as Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, and Alzheimer's disease. Eating a selenium-rich food helps to eliminate oxidative stress and thus reduces the risk of Alzheimer's and mental dementia. 5. Selenium is good for thyroid gland. Selenium is important for maintaining thyroid functioning, as thyroid tissue contains a high percentage of selenium. This powerful mineral helps protect the thyroid gland from oxidation and plays an important role in the production of thyroid hormones. The thyroid gland plays an important role in the body, as it regulates the process of food regulation and controls the growth and normal development of the body. Selenium deficiency is associated with several diseases such as Hashimoto, a type of hypothyroidism that occurs when the immune system attacks the thyroid gland. The results of some studies confirm this, indicating that low levels of selenium in the blood were associated with an increased risk of thyroiditis and hypothyroidism. 6. Selenium strengthens the immune system. The immune system plays an important and essential role in maintaining the health of the body and fighting diseases and their causes such as bacteria and viruses. Selenium helps by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, significantly enhancing the strength of the body's immune system. Some studies have shown that taking selenium supplements has already helped to stimulate and improve the body's immune response against various pathogens, and selenium deficiency can damage immune cell function and slow down the immune response process. 7. Selenium benefits for popular asthma symptoms. Popular asthma is a chronic disease that affects the airways responsible for carrying air inside and outside the lungs. These airways become narrower, causing symptoms such as wheezing, shortness of breath and coughing. Because selenium can reduce inflammation, there are some studies that suggest that this mineral helps reduce symptoms associated with bronchitis. Eating selenium-rich diets can help improve blood levels, and you can also rely on selenium supplements. Selenium is a powerful mineral that is necessary to regulate certain processes in the body, as it plays an important role in some vital processes in the body, and protects the body from the damage of oxidative stress caused by the accumulation of free molecules. Adding selenium-rich foods such as nuts and meat to your diet may boost selenium levels in your body.